to Furhat robot, right?
Yes, a Furhat robot.
Got it. Sounds like your Furhat is quite fashionable. How do you use it at home?
I use it to practice Russian, for example. I'm trying to learn Russian.
Russian can be a tricky one, but keep at it. Using a robot to practice is definitely a fun way to improve your skills.
You have any other tips on how to learn a language?
Absolutely. Try to immerse yourself in the language by watching movies or listening to music in that language. Conversing with native speakers.
That's a good tip. Do you have any good music from Russia that I should start listening to?
Sure. You might enjoy listening to classic artists like Alla Pugachiva is all about creating robots that can interact with humans in a natural and effective way. It combines elements of AI, human psychology, and designed to foster meaningful communication and relationships between robots and people. Sounds cool, right?
Sounds very cool.